If you are replaying NFS Carbon in 2026, this Redux mod is the best way to modernize the game with better graphics and new cores. Check my video description for this mod link. And this is for low-end PCs and this is for mid-range PCs. And select one of these options to download the file. Select the link and select the download option. It will start downloading. After the download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And just close and open this main folder. Just close it up here and right click on the game. Select the open file location. Open the WinRAR. Just drag and drop all these files inside our game folder. Select the replace the file in the destination and select this check mark to this and select continue. And now launch the game to the desktop shortcut. And I will show you guys before and after comparison. The Redux looks insanely good. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.